College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gihulngan City, Negros Oriental, 6214 Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of the Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a dynamic, competitive, and globally responsive state university. Mission, the university shall provide excellent instructions, relevant and research and responsive research and extension services, and quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals: Negros Oriental State University strives to advance NORSO and national development through effective partnership of opportunity leading educational access to poverty serving studies, research based and competency driven instructions. Is scholarship and innovation. Unity and diversity of culture. Corporate values. Core values represent what we believe in giving character to our university operations. These are sapphire. S. Spirituality. A. Accountability. P. Professionalism. P. Patriotism. H. Harmony. I. Integrity. R. Respect. A. Excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commit itself to provide quality instructions, research, and extension services production, as well as comply with applicable regulatory requirements and continual improvements of its management system. Criminology education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nations and in addressing the vital problems of crime control and in meeting the demands for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself to providing the community with professionally and competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. And pursuant to the above stated missions, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequences courses of study, which are well planned. These courses of study utilize deduction, instruction, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learning, and on-the-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. Number 1, it seeks to provide vast opportunities in instructions and guided experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquires the skills essential to the practice of criminology. Number 2, it provides the students with a broad cultural background and an understanding of the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law and so far as they affect the total administrations of justice. Number 3, it fosters higher concepts of citizenry and accountability and leadership and an understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow-men, to his community, and his country. 4, it inspires and instills in the students the value of service to humanity. Number 5, it encourages research and inquiry in the fields of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is a graduate with a degree of criminology who has passed the examinations for criminologists and is registered as such by the Board of Examiners of the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to RA 6506 Section 23 define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology. If he hold himself in, out of the public in any of the capacities as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant also to RA 6506 Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance or qualifying government examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following positions: fingerprint technicians, A. 8. Fingerprint technicians, B. Firearm examiner, C. uh, question document examiner, D. Probation officer, E. Crime laboratory technician, F. Lie detection examiner, J. Agent in any law enforcement agency, J. Security officer, K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 98/30/22, criminologist eligibility would apply for appointment from the PNCO rank of PO1 up to the Police Commission Officer, PCO with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975 Section 33 provides that licensed criminologists may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11 general orders. Number 1. To take charge of this post and all companies, properties in view, and protect, preserve with utmost diligence. Number 2. To work during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. Number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 3. Number 4. To report all calls from post mortem from the guardhouse where I am stationed. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving guard all orders from the company officers or officials superiors, post in charge, or ship leaders. Number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. To call or the superior officers in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10. To salute all company officials and superiors in the agency, ranking public officials and commissions officer of the AAP and the police and the officers of the PNP to be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging to challenge all persons or false, to allow no one to pass or loiter without properly authority, and to eat my meal before rendering my duty. The law enforcement code of ethics. Being entrusted with the duties of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and properties, to protect the innocent against deception, the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn, or ridicule. Develop self-restraint and be constantly mindful in the welfare of others. Honest in thought or deed in my personal and official life. I will be exemplary, obeying the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Wherever I see or hear of the confidential in nature will be kept every secret unless a revelation is necessary in the performance of my duty. I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudices, animosities, or principles to influence my decisions. With no compromise for crime and unrelentless prosecutions of criminal, I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without hate or favor, malice or ill will never accepting gratuities. In return, I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of my public faith and accept it as a as a as a symbol of public faith and accept it as public trust. I shall wear it with fidelity and integrity, for it is mine to possess. Only while I fulfill this solemn obligation, police officers creed. I believe in God, the supreme being, the great provider and creator of all men and everything there to me. In return, I can do no less than love him above all, seek his guidance in the performance of my sworn duties, honor him at all times. I believe that respect or for authority is a duty. I respect and uphold the Constitution, the laws of the land, and applicable rules and regulations. I recognize the legitimacy and authority of leadership and follow obeying legal orders of my superiors officers. I believe in selfless love and service to people. Towards this end, I commit myself to the service of my fellow men over and above and personal convenience. I believe in the sanctity of marriage and the respect for women. I shall set the example of decency and morality and shall have high regard for family life and chastity. I believe in the responsible dominion and stewardship over material things. I shall inhibit myself from ostentatious display of my property. I shall protect the environment of the conserve natures to maintain ecological balance. I shall respect private and public properties and prevent others from destroying it. I believe in the wisdom of truthfulness and must be trustworthy and shall speak the truth at all times as required by my professions. Ten Commandments of God. I am the Lord your God. You shall have no other gods before me. Number 2. Thou shalt not use the name of the Lord